Hello everyone, coming back to Python programming hands-on. Now I am going to discuss OOPS concepts in Python programming. OOPS, that means object-oriented programming. So here the object-oriented programming means there are classes, objects, there are classes, objects, and there are constructors are also there, and we have some concepts like concepts of we have concepts like inheritance and the polymorphism and some encapsulation, and we have some access specifiers like public, private, and protected, and we need to understand some exception handling also, and many more concepts are also there in the object-oriented programming. Now just we are getting a brief understanding of the OOPS concepts in the Python. So here we need to understand how we can declare class, how we can declare an object, and how we can declare a constructor, how we can write the program for the inheritance and polymorphism. Of course, encapsulation is inside, and how we can declare the access specifiers, how we can declare a variable as a public, private, or protected, and also in the exception handling, how we can declare try, catch blocks. So all these things, just getting brief idea I'm discussing here. Now I'll start with the class and how we can declare, how to declare class and objects in Python programming. So here how we can declare, generally class and a class name and colon. So your class name must have the caps letter. So this is syntax. For example, like class, some class name is some person, capital P, person, colon. This way we need to declare. How to declare a object? So object is you can declare like this. Some you can give some object name is equal to class name, brackets. So this way we can declare a object name. Write an example. The class person, the capital P and colon. You have to remember this one. Let us say there are some member functions are there. How we can declare some member functions? Let us say name is a member function. Name, no need to give any value. Some name, something like salary. Let us say like this is are the attributes. You can declare here or no need to declare also. Object name we can write like obj1 is equal to person bracket, and we need to specify like object 1 dot name is equal to some, we can give some name like anything like Surender, and we can give object 1 dot salary, sal, we can give some 2000 like that. So anything we can give. So this is way we can declare a class name. This way we can declare a object name. This way we can declare a class and objects in the Python programming. I hope you understand. Thank you.